you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong, would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might mutilation out of sight, and I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine.
What's up, YouTube boys and girls? This is Robbie with Robbie's Reviews, and today I'm going to do a little video response for Brian Toscano. I'm going to do one for his channel. He was asking for, in his video responses, for us to tell about a tool that we purchased that doesn't perform as it should. So whenever I was deciding what to do for this, because most of the tools I have are Snap-on and they're pretty I mean, you're just your basic wrenches, sockets, you know, stuff like that. So they're not many specialty tools and stuff that would need to perform a task that would be unusual. So when I was trying to decide on this, I was going through my box and I got to thinking that I would decided that I'm gonna talk about two things. One of them is this Fram oil filter wrench. This style oil filter wrench, garbage. It's all garbage. I mean, anything else is better. If you have cup sockets, better. Filter pliers, better. Band wrench, better. Doesn't matter. Anything is better. I mean, I've even used channel locks because this thing would not do it. So that's number one. Number two, I stripped out a couple of screws and I couldn't get them out, so I picked this up at Napa. It's a Maxcraft screw retractors. Garbage. None of the sizes would do it. Luckily, I remembered that I had won a giveaway or a drawing, I don't remember, from Bruce Allen, and so I went and used that, and the Vampire Tools little T-handle Phillips head remover, perfect, worked just fine. Didn't even have to get to the second bit, so that was a good thing. So that's all I'm going to have for this one. Y'all go check out Brian's channel, and y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my